Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, let's be serious. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Agari. Just in case you don't know me, you've not seen this face before, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah. Okay, so I've been on and off, yeah, but right now I'm back and better. So this vlog is about my first Christmas in Germany and just chilling, basically just living. So please like, subscribe and share this video. And basically my content is about lifestyle vlogs, study tips in Germany, and a little bit of natural hair here and there, like my old content. So but now it's going to be more versatile, basically just living my life, and I want you all to come with me and enjoy this journey.
Yeah, there's this cartoon. I look like the wicked woman.
You don't look like we can look really good.
Okay, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
This is Fortune. Fortune, say hi.
Hello.
This is right.
Caleb, say hi.
Hi.
Ria. So we're on our way to Bremen. So we don't really have much to do in Göttingen. Wow. So we're going to Bremen.
To their marketplace.
So come with us, guys. This is a Christmas
Bremen
vlog.
Town Hall.
Today is 24th of December. So guys.
Wow.
See ya.
Oh,
Fortune. Caleb. Come and say hello. Nolly, the red nose bag.
Information on ICE 944.
What do we come on for? Okay, because of this one. Thank you. The stay I'm getting today is is a big deal. So I had to go get the donut box because we were starving. We were so hungry and someone had to do it. And I speak better Deutsch than the rest of us. So I had to go get it. And yeah, the guy was really friendly and nice. And they were playing a very nice song at the background. But I couldn't really, I had to take it out because I don't want to get any copyright strike. Even the one before now, I hope I don't get a strike. But we had to eat before we continue our journey. We just got to Bremen and we had to eat something because it's going to be a very long day. We had to walk around, take pictures and see the city. Basically, that's all we are going to do today. So let's go and eat some donut.
I did it long now.
Yeah, you did. Boss man.
Oh yeah, now. Oh yeah.
Caleb, oh yeah. I was not even snapping him, I was taking a video.
That's really cool for back.
Yeah.
This is not fine.
No, fine.
Not fine now.
See, so. See,
Yeah.
this place now. Just.
You go send me all this.
Yeah.
It's really gone.
He's gone now. So
You have to be
they
18
legalize
years.
gun in
18 years so
Germany.
you get gone.
Did they legalize
100
gun
and
in
something.
Germany? They don't now.
But if I can walk up, I know come back. I don't reach
You
18
get the
years.
license now. I must be for a
You
valid
must
reason.
have a license before you buy it.
Nothing yet. Yeah, you have to play a game to leave the room.
Oh, go on them.
My head don't cover for
Are you serious?
Go on. I'm not going.
I'm gonna go past my bro. Look me. I want to
Come here, come here.
go look you like it's waiting. You wanna enter me? You wanna sleep with me?
This whole place.
Fine girl.
I tell you, yes, do you want to sleep with me? So, since we do not have like any tourist guide, we're just going on our own. We just like got to like a very popular tourist attraction in Birmingham. Is like their city mart or plat, that's what they call it, market plat. We got there, we saw really nice architectural buildings and really nice statues and all, but we really do not know the whole history behind them, but they were so beautiful and nice. Like, it was an experience. So today is 25th of December. We had to go to church. No, I had to go to church. So I went to church, then we just worshipped. I was happy, I was in a good mood. Solemn service and all, like our usual Nigeria Christmas service. It was nice. I was happy I went, so yeah. Let my hair not block today. Yeah. €5 for me. Ikaite of today. See my hand and load. Oh, I can't even raise my hand. Me, I snapping picture. I have to hold their load. All of them. Who will snap me now? Be on. So today is 26th of December. We had to go to like a Chinese restaurant. Oh my god, this place is beautiful. Like they have like a wishing well, like you throw coin and all. Then the food, oh my god, you can eat anything, like absolutely anything for like a particular amount. I'll tell you guys the amount later. So you can go as many times as you want. Trust now, we are Nigerians, we know this slack. So this was like the first time we went. We just had to take something little, something light. We went the first time and there were there were varieties, a lot of varieties. This was me taking, I think, chicken or beef. And I went ahead, I took rice, I took spaghetti. Let's go and you see what your baby girl took. So this was what I took for the first round. I ate that and then we
let's go for
round
two.
Round two. So let's go.
I think I take it.
What happened to your plate?
Real food.
With the way I was eating it, you can tell that this was nice. Like this was nice. This was my like round two. So let's go. So before I forget, we spent €30 approximately for like each person. So it was a fair deal, yeah. So even after the round two, I had to get ice cream and just chill. But I was still hungry. I decided to go again for round 3, but I couldn't finish it. I couldn't eat it. I decided to do the magic trick and then pack it. You know how we do in Nigeria now? How we pack food and put in our bag. I don't know if anybody did it too, but me, I did it. So I decided to pack the food because I couldn't finish it and take it along. And it was really funny. It was really funny. I was embarrassed though.
What else? It has finished. That's life.
What has
We're
finished?
with the sparrow.
What has finished?
I've finished eating now. But for now, everything I've packed.
So I decided to go get a fortune cookie and see what they have for me. So let's open it together, and what was written in it was for me to keep my sense of humor. So yeah, I guess I have to do that this 2023. After packing mine, Ria wanted me to help them run their own. I should also do the magic trick for them. So I decided to also do the magic trick. As nice as I can be.
Keeping your bag right away.
So before we left, we decided to like take pictures and then just have some fun before leaving, because like our time was up. We had to stay there for like just 2 hours, and there was this particular man that just kept looking at us and laughing. But do we care? We were just having the best time of our lives, so why not? But it was actually nice. It was really, really nice. I enjoyed myself. So this was the next day, 26th of December. We had to go for a house party. Yay!
I didn't even know. Hey! Yes, I just see Ria. Ria, please turn around.
So we decided to play games. We played different kind of games. We ate, like, just had fun just to keep ourselves busy for the Christmas holiday. And then after the whole game and eating and everything, everybody went home. Well, it was really interesting. Like, I was so happy that I met all of them. If not, the Christmas would have been so boring for me. When I mean boring, extraordinarily boring. But yeah, we decided to like come up with something and plan everything for it to be like, for you to see what you're saying. If not, I would have been in my room alone. So this is the next day in Berlin. I had to go see my brother because, yeah, why not? I've never been to Berlin since I came to Germany, and I wanted to go so badly, and he was there, so opportunity for me. So yeah, that's my brother. Soft. Yeah, I was happy to see him, and I was also happy to be in Berlin. Yeah, thank you for me. Was carrying my load.
Carrying my load. To abandon me in Zara. It's not happening. It's not happening. It's not happening. Just for one coat. One coat. Should buy like 5 coats for your sister. Just for one coat. One coat. You won't see the price. No way. No way. They never see me coming. Peace out. Carry my bag.
So I decided to cook, so it won't be like I just came here to spend this money and not do anything. I shall cooked. Evidence. So we just, catch up. I can remember when we used to fight. If they tell me that I will become this close, I will never believe. We always like to fight each other as if we are dragging something then when we were growing up. But it was really nice. Like, never knew. Yeah, was before we left the house the second day. I had to do voiceover because I don't want to get a strike for copyright. We had to dance a very nice song, see moves now, see moves now, Yeah, so that was nice.
Okay guys, I really don't want this video to be so long. There's no better way to end this video than going back to Nigeria for my crossover service. I'm serious when I said I went back to Nigeria. Please stop joking with me. So guys, I went to a Nigerian church. Like the vibe. I really missed crossover, so I decided to not dull on this one, and it was amazing. I enjoyed myself. I was so happy. Happy New Year guys. Bye.